We are in Kyoto, Japan, and today we are dressing up in traditional Japanese kimonos, and we are going to walk around the bamboo forest, which I'm very excited about. Harry can't wait to dress up, he's so excited. Are you too tall?
There's one option for me.
Really? There's only one option for you?
The giant size.
Can you not just have your ankles out?
Yeah, to be fair, I'm happy with the black one. The black one's cool. This one's okay, yeah?
Dan's too tall for the kimonos. Just in the process of picking which one now. Quite a lot of options. Gonna have a little look and see what I'm thinking. There's some lacy ones, which look really nice. And then you've got like some more florally ones. Picked this one here, this like lilac and flowery one. Now I've got to pick a butte, I think she called it. It's like a belt. Yeah, that looks pretty. Shall I go for that? Yeah? Okay. Oh, I've got to choose the bag now as well. Okay, I'll just get any bag, can't I really? So I've chosen my kimono, I've chosen my thing that goes around the belt, and now I've got to choose the bag. So I've got to take the valuables out of this and put it in the new bag. We're going to go upstairs. I'm going to get my hair done. They give you sandals and they've also got like boots, but you've got to pay extra for that. $5.50 for the boots. I'm glad you get sandals because I've got like grey trainers on with pink socks. And they give you like a black bag that you put all your stuff in. Keep it back here so when you go out you don't have to take it all with you. And then you just take your little bag. You can upgrade the bag as well, but this one was free and included in the price. So we're all in our outfit. Harry looks like a wizard.
You look more like a Jedi, I would say.
Oh yeah, that's
Jedi
it.
Knight.
What I cannot get to grips with is the shoes and the sock. Woo! They only do shoes for like smaller feet. Me and Dan have got massive feet. Dan's a size 12 and I'm a size 7 UK. I feel so fun today.
Why did you didn't get an umbrella?
We've been outside for all of 2 minutes and Harry's kicking off because he's too hot.
I feel really comfy.
Are you hot?
Because you've got nothing underneath it.
I've got 6 belts underneath this belt.
I've got one layer on.
Why have you only got one layer?
Summer edition.
Oh, I've got the winter edition. Have you got the winter edition? We're going to head to the bamboo forest and we're going to walk around looking like the tourists that we are. We're going to get some really nice pictures. I'm loving this hair. Can you believe this hair literally took like 10 minutes? So the outfits, by the way, were, so for a couple it was 8,800 yen, so it's 4,400 each. However, mine came to 6,000 because I added on a few extras. You know, this belt was extra. The thing is, we can't read the receipts, it's in Japanese, so they might have put something on there that's wrong and we wouldn't know. So we're just in the bamboo forest now. We're kind of like in the entrance bit. There's currently a train coming through, so we've got to wait. So the bamboo forest was about a 13-minute walk from the place that we got dressed up at. Very, very busy. We got here at like 12 midday. I think it opens at 9. Oh, bamboo forest is 24 hours, so ignore me, 24 hours. We just come out of the bamboo forest now. This is like back onto the main street again and it absolutely rams. As you can see, it's very busy. We're heading back now to drop off our outfit. We've only had them on for a little while, but they are very, very hot. And also we have got a place to be because Dan and Harry have got a samurai sword experience. We've got to jump back on the subway and then we've got to head back towards Kyoto town centre. We're now free. We're back in our normal clothes.
Our normal boring clothes.
Yeah, very boring compared to what we just wore.
Perfect place to wear it. Blending in. Loads of people were wearing them as well, so you're not the only one if you're worried about wearing it on your own.
Yeah, everyone's doing it, so like you're not the only one. The people aren't doing it and I've been thinking, oh, I wonder where they got that from.
Jealous.
Just jealous of us, obviously. We've come to a place for a burger. We just literally, as we're walking along, we just saw it, not far from the bamboo forest. Up It Burger, and it's got 4.5 stars on Google. And the burgers look banging. We've now made it to the samurai experience. We had to jump in a taxi because we were running late. We've got an appointment for 2 o'clock. 6 minutes past 2, we're a little bit late.
Years old.
More than me. Yeah, it's plastic. 3, 2, 1, go! That was close! In the competition, Harry got 2 points. Dan got 1 point, I got no points. So we just did the dagger throwing thing. I had to pay to get in, but that was just to go into the museum. I just wanted to film, but I had to pay to get in just to film. So I ended up participating in that, but I wasn't supposed to be. And now them two are going to do the actual samurai experience. So they're dressing up now in armour. With his sword. No, but don't use it on me.
Then you're going to extend the elbow forward. Then when you're straight on, down. Yeah. Right hand. So you good?
Hey!
Very good.
You scared the love out of me.
Okay guys, so Lydia's decided to go home. She can't hack the walking anymore. So me and Harry have decided to come to the Fushimi Inari Dashi. It's come really late. What time is it now? It's come at 7:15, so it's quite quiet now. I think we are about halfway up now. Quite an easy climb, not too bad.
So today we're heading to Osaka. We're just at Kyoto station now. The train's in 10 minutes and we don't even know where the platform is, so that's a good start. Got a Starbucks. I just want to apologise as well for the absolutely terrible audio that I had. I had a microphone issue. So yeah, it sounded like we were underwater. So I apologise for that. You can hear us now, hopefully. Okay, this is the way, Shin Osaka.
that's the end of this video. Click on the video or the playlist that has just popped up on your screen right now. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.